Now I have just cleaned this surface really good because we're gonna put the touchscreen back. Okay, so we also clean inside really good too. Usually when you put it back, I would suggest that one hand holds down the liquid glass, the other hand grab a metal reflector, put it in, but this one was different. The reason because the metal frame is right here with the touchscreen, so it will be slightly different. So I will show you this one's a little bit methods how to do it. Okay, so here I add a piece of tape on 4 corners. Just make sure it stay there. Okay, because we don't want anything wrong after we finish it. Just add a piece of tape, secure 4 corners. Okay, so let me see the module. So module is on the other end. You can see the tape. So that would be go like this. So just sit at the top. You see that? Okay. Here's what I would like to do. Just push it. Now, because the glass was holding by the tape, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, you just want to make sure everything's there. Yep. It's perfect. Now, we put it back a cover. Where's the cover? Oh, right here. So we put back the cover. And everything looks good. Okay. So put the screw back and just pop it back right back. I also would like to add a couple tips to secure the wires here. You see this? The wire. Okay. Okay. Oh, this. No wonder this wire was a little bit. I should add the tip before this side, so I have to fix the wire again. There you go. Okay. You can put back this one, it doesn't matter if you like. And this one too. Okay. So next video we're going to show you how to put it back. Finish, put back a touchscreen and metal frame back. So now we try to put the chassis back, and we set it the face down. First we need to connect this. Okay, okay, let me move aside this side. Okay. Alright. So this is all this. You see this? Then we should connect flipovers. We need to connect this wire here to this screen wire. We connect it back. Okay. So I add some tape to it. Almost there. Just secure this connector, and then secure this wire too. Now we put back a touch screen here. Perfect. We're gonna put the screw back. that holding a screen. What I did is I put it on face down. This end is not really okay. Okay. Yep. Really good. Actually. Okay. There's 4 screws on the side. Two more here on this side. Okay, one more. Now we put back the touch screen, which is we already marked it. There you go. And one more metal covers here. Alright, setups. And face up. We put back the front bezel. That's it. Just have to be careful. And this video may be a bit long. I'm gonna break it down to a few parts. But if you have this model, it's worth to spend time to, to review a couple times the videos. Thank you for watching.